Hey guys, so my best friend in the whole wide world, Miss Gabby, asked me if I would make a video showing how I paint my pot leaf decals. So first thing you're going to want to do is get you a nice clipboard, and you can find a clear plastic insert from, maybe steal it from one of your kids' school notebooks or something like I did. My face. Alright, now we're going to cure this. We're going to cure this under the light for about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go over it one more time. I'm just going over it just to be sure it's thick enough so that when you go to remove this from the thing I'm using to paint on, it won't be so thin and rip up on you, because you want it to be slightly thick, but not too thick. So we're just going to put a second coat. Alright, and now we're going to cure it again. And this time we're going to cure for a full 60 seconds. And after this is done curing, which is now, I'm going to go over it with rubbing alcohol, and we'll cotton swab to take off that inhibition sticky layer. And then it is ready to be removed. There we go. And then all you gotta do then is just stick it on your nail after doing like a base coat, and then put a top coat over it, and then you got it. Watch what happens when you put it in warm water. And then when you put it in cold water, it gets darker.